A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to depth integrals. So see, now question is evaluate the integrals. Evaluate the integrals. Evaluate the integrals. Integral is integration over root over 1 minus x whole upon 1 plus x dx. This is our question. We have to integrate. This is 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Now given integral, see the solution. Given integration over root over 1 minus x whole upon 1 plus x dx. Now this one we can write integration over root 1 minus x whole upon root over 1 plus x. Now we are going to rationalize by this is 1 plus x and this is 1 minus x. Now we are going to rationalize by 1 plus x. Now when you will rationalize by 1 plus x, now dx. So this one we can write 1 plus x dx 1 minus x square dx. Now this one we can split integration over 1 upon root over 1 minus x square dx plus x dx upon root over 1 minus x square. Now you know its integration is sine inverse x. Its integration, you know, this is sine inverse x. Now plus in this integral you will consider what you will consider. Suppose you are considering t square is equal to 1 minus x square. This is the expression we have considered. Now you know t dt will be equal to minus 2 x dx and minus t dt will be equal to minus x dx. So this will be with negative sign. Integration over this is t dt whole upon this is t square. Now dt, you know, and this will be 1 dt and 1 dt result is t. So sine inverse x minus t and plus c, you know, and t value, you know, t value is root over 1 minus x square. Now we can write sine inverse x minus root over 1 minus x square and now plus c. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. Now see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Now question number 2 is Question number 2 is, this question is so important. Now you will see integration over e to the power ax into cos bx plus c. Now dx. So this is the question we have to integrate. Now you will see, given I is equal to integration over e to the power ax cos bx plus c dx. Now suppose you are going to solve this question by using integration by part. So this one I am considering first, this is second. So I we can write I is equal to what we can write? I is equal to, this is I is equal to first function integration of second function means e to the power ax whole upon a minus integration over d by dx of first function means minus sine bx plus c with minus b into integration of second function means e to the power ax whole upon a, this is dx. Now minus b by a will be plus b by a. Now this is the result, cos of bx plus c into e to the power ax by a and plus b by a. This one is an integration. Again when you will integrate, so this even you will consider first and this is considered second. So this is first and this is second, and b by a is outside the bracket. So first function means sine of bx plus c into e to the power ax upon a minus sine, this is the second first function, so differentiate, so result will be b cos bx plus c into b cos bx plus c into, this result will be e to the power ax by a with dx. Now bracket closed. So this is the result, you know, this is the result I. So what we can write? We can write I is equal to e to the power ax into cos bx plus c whole upon a plus b sine bx plus c into e to the power ax upon a square will be here. So b upon a square. Now with negative sign, minus b square by a square, and this is the integration I. Now it will come in left hand side. So I in bracket 1 plus b square by a square is equal to, we can write, this is common, e to the power ax. So what we can write? E to the power ax. Suppose we have taken common. So what we will get the result? E to the power ax. And this is a and this is, suppose a I am considering here, a square. So a square you can take easily common. So a cos bx, what will be the result? 1 plus b square by a square, a time cos bx plus c plus b time sin bx plus c whole upon a square with e to the power ax. Now see, now a square after taking LCM, this will cancel. Now what will be the result? Result will be what we can write the result. A square will cancel, and in this denominator, what will be the result? A cos bx means a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c whole upon a square plus b square. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now you can see. This is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. Now see. So what we have done in this question? In this question, you will see we have a given function e to the power ax into cos bx plus c. So according to Euler rule, you will consider this is second function and this is first function. So I have considered given I is equal to e to the power ax into cos of bx plus c dx. Now using integration by part, here I am writing using integration by part. Integration by part. What we can write? Integration by part we have applied here. And now again I have used integration by part here. So in these steps and in these steps, you will see. So you know the integration by part formula. First function integration of second function minus integration over d by dx of first function into integration of second function. Now you will see first function is here. First function integration of second function, coefficient will be in denominator into minus sign integration over d by dx of first function is minus b times cos of bx plus c. Differentiation is sin of bx plus c with minus b and e to the power a x upon a. This is the integration. Now b by a is constant, so b by a with negative sign will come outside the bracket b by a, and again you will apply this formula integration by part. So integration by part, applying this formula, you will get first function and this is second function. So first function integration of second function minus integration over d by dx of first function into integration of second function. Now you will see this is the result I. This is the result I. I we have considered integration over I is the whole value, that is with integration symbol, integration over cos of bx plus c into e to the power ax, and b by a is outside the bracket. So outside multiply b by a, result will be b square by a square with I. So this is I. So b square by a square with I comes in left and result will be I is equal to, here I am writing I is equal to, here I am writing I is equal to. This is answer. Now see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now see, question number 3 is, Now see question number 3 is evaluate the integrals integration over e to the power now suppose you have a question. Suppose we are considering prove that integration over e to the power ax into cos bx plus c dx is equal to, you know this formula I have already proved, is equal to, we are going to solve proof part, it's proof part. So we have to prove this is e to the power ax into cos of bx plus c minus tan inverse b by a whole upon a square plus b square. See, this is our proof. Since you know, since integration over e to the power ax into cos bx plus c dx, we have already proved or we have already find its value. So its integration result is, you know, e to the power ax into a cos bx plus c plus b sin bx plus c. This is the formula, b sin bx plus c and whole upon root over a square plus b square. We have already proved this. This is the result. This is the result after solving integration. Now in this question we are going to consider some part. So what we have to consider to prove? So suppose we are going to consider, let a is equal to r cos alpha and b is equal to r sin alpha. Now what will be the value of a square plus b square? What will be its value? So see, this implies we can write a by b is equal to cot alpha or b by a is equal to tan alpha. So r is equal to, we can write root over a square plus b square and alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. This will be the result after when we have considered this value. So how we can change this? So a, when we have considered, this is r cos alpha, a is r cos alpha, b is r sin alpha. So see, integration over e to the power ax into cos bx plus c into dx is equal to, this is e to the power ax into r cos alpha cos bx plus c plus r sin alpha sin bx plus c whole upon this result, you know, this is the value root over a square plus b square, this is r. So see, this is the value of r. This is without under root result. So this is r square. Now after taking r common, this will cancel and this will be under root r. And what will be its numerator? Numerator result will be e to the power ax upon r with suppose this is single r, so r will be here, and cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the result of cos of alpha minus bx plus c we can write, or bx plus c minus alpha we can write also. So bx plus c minus alpha we can write this. Now what will be its value? What we can write its value? So e to the power ax into cos of bx plus c minus alpha. Alpha result is tan inverse b by a curly bracket closed whole upon this is root over a square plus b square. This is root over a square plus b square. Now see, this is the result. This is also the proof. Now hence proof. Hence proof. Hence proved. Now this part is totally completed. Now you can see. Now in this question what you will see? In this question we have seen we have to integrate or we have to modify this integration result in terms of alpha. So alpha result, you know, tan inverse b by a, or in terms of 10 you can write this result. See. Now this part is totally completed. So there are so many proofs and properties related to this formulas. You can learn this result and also this result, both we can apply on questions. Now see.